I did 6 years in the United States Air Force. I was a crew chief on C-17s. Used to be responsible for something important, and I was missing that. I found U.S. Steel. I was able to find that again. Working here at U.S. Steel has provided me the ability to support my family and children, allows me to engage with the community, help support the local community. It's valuable to have a career here at U.S. Steel because not only are you able to support your family, but there's also opportunity for growth. An entry-level employee would have the opportunity to advance, and the training would be provided. Those classes are provided to you free of charge, and you're paid while you take these courses. People in my generation that are considering a job in manufacturing should strongly consider the steel industry. The benefits, the pay, job security. It is an exciting time to be working in this industry. With recent investments from Nippon, we have state-of-the-art improvements. When I discuss my career with family and friends, I have a sense of pride. I am involved in something that is important and bigger than myself.